Deep in enemy ground, he tears open a hyena den with the kind of purpose that stops feeling like instinct. Spotted hyenas swarm his flanks, delivering sharp, testing bites. They are attempting to force a retreat from their nursery. He explodes with sudden, massive force. The hyena twists aside, but the lion is faster. He crashes into it and drives it hard to the ground. A single crushing bite could finish the fight, but he releases his grip. He turns straight back to the den. The fight was never what he came for. He pulls something out, a tiny hyena cub. For a moment, it seems this might be the reason for his fury, but the lion barely pauses. With a careless flick of his jaws, he throws the cub aside. The hyenas close in again. Laughing, snapping, darting forward and away. The lion tries to ignore them, but the pressure grows. A deep, furious roar erupts from his chest, a warning, a threat. The lion reaches once more into the burrow. The rhythm is relentless, focused, every movement deliberate. This is no random destruction. The lion digs like an animal that knows there is something down there, something he has not yet reached. A second cub is located. The cub is tossed clear of the den like it means nothing. Whatever the lion wants is still inside. The hyenas intensify the assault. They target the lion's most vulnerable area. A sudden shift into explosive aggression. He lashes out at the nearest challenger. His massive weight and sheer muscular power are used to repel the mob. In the chaos, the risk of a debilitating injury increases for every participant. A powerful display of force creates a momentary buffer. That burst of power leaves the hyenas cautious and unwilling to rush him. Total focus is required to navigate the deep tunnels. A third cub is extracted from the earth, but not the prize he is tearing the den apart to reach. The lion sets a boundary with his presence alone. The more cubs he throws away, the more one question takes hold. What could be hidden in that den to make him risk his own life for it? He pauses over the torn den, exhausted, breathing hard, and lets out a deep, aching roar. It carries no victory, only frustration and grief. The voice of an animal who has searched with purpose and still failed to find what mattered most. Still, he digs on. And at last, the mystery breaks open. A lifeless lion cub. For such a moment, he risks everything, because the cub is not just his own. It is his legacy, hanging lifeless in his jaws. The sight of him carrying the cub changed everything. Now they came on fast, sharp, and fearless. While a single hyena is no match for a lion, the strength of the clan lies in their collective coordination. They swarm from every angle. After placing the cub down, he has only his own life to defend. But for every hyena driven back, 2 more surge forward to take its place. The attackers come hard, biting, slashing, and driving into him with cruel force, turning the ground into a scene of pain where every movement costs flesh, breath, and blood. He collapses into the mire. The hyenas finally bring the king down. He lies still now, too broken to rise, taking the last punishing bites without resistance. Beside his cub, the great lion fades in a moment of sorrow, drawing his final breaths in silence. This is no hunt for meat. It is the taking of a life, the deliberate ending of a king. And still, there is pride in him because he did not die running for himself, but standing for something greater than survival.